Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best spooky season shirt you can get right now. The HEBBE Spooky Season Sweatshirt, featuring a fun and festive Halloween ghost graphic designed specifically for women. Whether you're gearing up for a Halloween party, casual fall outings, or just want to add some spooky charm to your wardrobe, this sweatshirt is an excellent choice that blends style, comfort, and Halloween spirit effortlessly. The HEBBE Spooky Season Sweatshirt is made from a balanced fabric blend of 50% cotton and 50% polyester. This combination gives you the perfect mix of softness and durability, making it lightweight and comfortable to wear throughout the fall season. The fabric is designed to be breathable and easy to care for, as it's machine washable, so you won't have to worry about special treatment to keep it looking fresh. The design itself is a standout feature. It showcases a charming and funny ghost graphic that's perfect for Halloween without being too over the top. The classic crewneck cut keeps the look casual yet stylish, making it easy to pair with your favorite jeans, leggings, shorts, or even a skirt for a versatile fall look. The long sleeves provide warmth for those crisp autumn evenings, and the pull-on closure means no fuss when dressing up. Sizing is thoughtfully presented with options ranging from small to XXL, corresponding roughly to US sizes 4 through 20. It's important to check the size chart before purchasing to ensure you get the best fit for your body type. This range makes it accessible for many different body shapes and sizes, which is always a bonus when shopping online. One of the best aspects of this sweatshirt is its versatility. Beyond Halloween parties, it's suitable for a wide variety of casual occasions such as school, work, shopping trips, or just hanging out at home. It's also a great option if you want to celebrate the spooky season in a subtle, stylish way. The sweatshirt's design and color options make it an easy piece to dress up or down depending on the occasion. In terms of packaging, it arrives compact and lightweight, making shipping straightforward and hassle-free. This product is imported and made with attention to quality, reflecting the brand's commitment to fashionable and comfortable clothing. If you're looking for a seasonal piece that adds just the right amount of Halloween flair while staying wearable year-round, the HEBBE Spooky Season Sweatshirt is a fantastic pick. It combines comfort, style, and holiday fun into one casual top that's ready to become your new favorite fall staple. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more honest reviews and product highlights, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Stay cozy and spooky this season.